Hello everyone, I would like to present to you the second chapter of my electrochemistry lessons. I mean the second chapter entitled Galvanic Cells. So, starting with galvanic cells, it is important to ask ourselves, why do we need galvanic cells? Yes, why are we utilizing galvanic cells? Why are we constructing galvanic cells, and why are we building galvanic cells? Yes, the answer is obvious and very simple. Yes, as a society we need electric energy, we demand electric energy. So as you can know, galvanic cells are one of the sources of electric energy, one of the sources often mostly utilized in vehicles. Yes, in the structure of galvanic cells, there are electrochemical reactions. Two types of electrochemical reactions. Two and only two. I mean oxidation and reduction. These processes are spontaneous. So, through these electrochemical reactions, chemical substrates, which are included in galvanic cell, are converted into electric energy. Chemical substrates are converted into electric energy, and as a byproduct, we are obtaining also chemical products. Yes, so chemical energy, which is included in chemical substrates in the form of the chemical bonds, is converted into electricity. Every single galvanic cell is composed of two half cells, anode and cathode. The sign of the anodic terminal is minus, while the sign of the Catholic one is plus. As I said, in the structure of galvanic cell, there are oxidation and reduction reaction. In the structure of the anodic, it means oxidation reaction proceed. In the structure of the cathodic, which means reduction reaction proceed. Both of these reactions proceed together. Okay, so let's find out the principle of galvanic cell operation using the example of Daniel cell. In my opinion, this example, I mean Daniel cell example, is the most convenient, is the easiest way to explain somebody else the principle of the performance of the galvanic cell. So in the Daniel cell structure, like in the every single galvanic cell structure, we have two half cells, anode and cathode. In the case of Daniel cell, the anode is zinc half cell, while the cathode is copper half cell. In this type of galvanic cell, I mean Daniel cell, those two half cells are metallic type half cell. Later I will be talking about the types of the half cells, yes? However, now let's focus on this type. In my opinion, the most often utilized type of the half cell, I mean metallic type half cell. Metallic type half cell is built of metallic bar, which is immersed in the electrolyte solution containing these metallic bar cations. Let's see, for example, in Daniel cell, anode is built of zinc metallic bar which is immersed in the aqueous electrolyte solution containing zinc metallic cations. What about the cathode? The same situation. We have a copper metallic bar which is immersed in the aqueous electrolyte solution containing copper cations. It could be aqueous solution of copper sulfate. In the case of the anode structure, we have, for example, in this case, zinc sulfate. Both of these half cells, zinc and copper, are connected together. They are connected by an external wire, yes, you could see it here. Metallic bars are connected by external wire. To this external wire, energy consuming device is also connected. For example, it could be light bulb, yes, light bulb which would be powered by this Daniell cell. What about these electrolytes? Electrolytes are also connected. However, they are connected by a salt bridge. Salt bridge is filled with the salt solution. So this salt solution in the salt bridge is able to conduct electric charge by ions, yes? However, this wire conduct also electric charge. However, there is a flow of electrons. Okay, so let's see how does it work. In the anodic structure, as I said, we have an oxidation reaction, yes? So zinc is oxidized from the metallic form to cation form, yes? So zinc atom of zinc pass through the interface between the metallic bar and electrolyte solution, and there is a creation of the zinc cation and of course two electrons. So zinc atom pass into electrolyte solution in the form of the cation, and in the metallic bar structure we have an excess of two electrons. These two electrons flows through the external circuit and energy consuming device to metallic cathodic metal, yes? These electrons flow through this external circuit and are collecting near the interface between metallic cathode and cathodic aqueous electrolyte solution. Those two electrons, which appear in the oxidation reaction, are consumed in the reduction reaction. What does it mean? It means that copper cations consume these two electrons. So there is a reduction reaction of copper cations, and there is a creation of copper atoms in the metallic state. So copper cations are deposited on the surface of the metallic cathode in the metallic form. Okay, so you could see now that when the Daniell cell is working, when the Daniell cell is performing its task, we are obtaining electric energy. Yes, there is a flow of electrons from anode to cathode. Yes, you could also see that during this work, the mass of the anode decrease. Yes, the mass of the anode decrease because there is a creation of the cations. So we have a loss of the mass of the metallic zinc. What about the ions? I mean zinc cations. Yes? The concentration of the zinc cations increase, yes? Because there is a creation of these cations during anodic reaction. Reverse situation, different situation, appear in the structure of the cathode.